The Avenger is a game changer. Why is that?
Yes, sure. The Avenger is, let me say, the most compact Jeep in the history. So for only 4.8 centimeter. So if you, let me say, eliminate the wheelies, it is really the most compact. It is the first BAV Jeep in the history. So I think it is enough to say that it is a game changer.
And it's also the first Jeep entirely designed in Europe, right?
Yes, we started this project 3 years ago, so generally we need 3 years, and as soon as we had the merging, we put the platform behind the concept, and yes, we closed the car after 2 years.
Being the first electric Jeep in history, how is it different from other Jeeps, and how does it still preserves its DNA?
But basically, that was also the request from the brand to put 100% of the Jeep DNA in 4 meters. So I don't think it is really different from the other Jeeps, but has a lot in common with this history of Jeep. We can find the 7 slot, the horizontal approach of the grille, that basically it is what we have in all the lineup today. We worked with the trapezoidal wheel arch that are functional for, especially for the off-road driving, and we have this bold volume and a lot of space inside. So basically we worked, yes, with a nice car, aesthetically talking, but the idea is to have a lot of space, a lot of functionality that can bring to the customers.
So tell me about the design to function principle.
Yes, I think we started from the package. So using the new ECMP2 platform that will have a new electric engine, new batteries, we also asked it to really have a compact body. How? We shortened the overhang, that it is one most important things for the off-road use. In fact, if you couple everything, we asked to the engineering to have almost 200 mils of ground clearance, the biggest overall diameter tire that you can have on this package. Short overhang. At the end, you will have what I generally call the recipe of capability. So 20 degrees of approach angle, 20 degrees of breakover angle, and 32 degrees of departure angle. So basically, we will have a good technical angle for city use, but especially for the outdoor use.
What are the design references to other models? We have the iconic 7-slot grille and also the jerry can taillight.
Yes, we have a lot of reference on this model. As usual, at Jeep, it is an evolutionary brand. So as you can see here, especially in the front of the car, yes, we have the 7-slot, as I said, with an horizontal approach. But when we watch the section, especially of the headlamps, the headlamps are protected. So we are always talking about functionality. The headlamps are mounted behind the grille as the Willys, as the Renegade, as the Wrangler. So that is an idea to avoid any scratch on the lamps. Not only the horizontal approach was something that is taken by the history from the XJ, that was the Cherokee of the 90s. The bent over grille is this particular treatment. If you see the car from side, that angle the upper part of the grille in comparison with the lower part. This tubular section that we have on the hood coming directly and straightly from the history. So the Willys, the Renegade, and the Wrangler has this particular treatment. So I can go on for 1 hour talking about all the link with the history and heritage of Jeep.
The Avengers motto is have fun out there. A part of its fun-loving nature is also his appearance and aesthetics. In what ways can it be customizable?
Sure. It is one of the most famous motto of Jeep. Have fun out there. Yes, we will have 7 different colors, and the idea was also to give the name of the nature to every color that we'll have. This is the sun color, for example, but we'll have a lot of graphics that you can apply to your car. We'll have body graphics, hood graphics, we'll have stripes, the modular stripes that you can put on the hood and also on the roof. So basically, accordingly with the money, let me say the wallet of the customer and also the taste of the customer, he can really dress the car as he wants. We can also change the graphics of the 7-slot, of the rings of the slot, and also the color of the mirrors. Not only will have a special blue touch color for the wheels that will go coupled with the hood sticker with the blue touching. So we'll have a lot of things that you can change as a customer.
There are some design Easter eggs hidden all over the car. Can you reveal any of them and maybe give some hints where to look for them?
Okay, I'm allowed to talk about some of them. We have more than 10 Easter eggs on the car. One of the most famous is the young boy on the windshield. And actually, it is the profile of my son. So this is a dedication to my son that was born during the process of the project. So this is one of them. And the boy is watching a constellation that is in the other angle of the windshield. We will have other Easter egg on the car.
To sum up, how will the Avenger attract female customers?
But I think it is really important, especially from the product itself. So it is really compact. We think that the compactness is something that really attracts women, especially to have a more athletic drive approach in the cities. You will have a high position driving the car. That is always something really well accepted by women, and will have 34 liters of storage in the frontal seats. So basically, if you compare the Avenger with the many competitors, also C segment, you generally reach 15 liters of storage. Here we will give 34 liters of storage. Basically, you can put 580 ping pong balls only in the frontal storage.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.